I've created about 100 videos so far and have had my share of mistakes. I've learned from those mistakes and have helped many new YouTubers start their own channels. Here is a list of 5 common mistakes that new YouTubers should avoid, along with tips to do things in a better way. Number 1. Not looking at YouTube analytics. Growing your YouTube channel requires you to understand who your audience is and how they're engaging with your videos. YouTube analytics can tell you a lot about who your audience is, what they're like, what kind of content you should be creating to be successful. To help make the most of this valuable tool, I previously uploaded a step-by-step overview of YouTube analytics, the different insights it provides, and how you can use that information to improve your growth on YouTube. Second one is coming up with titles that won't get searched. Many new YouTubers make the mistake of titling their videos in a very effective way, and then they wonder why they're not getting any views. Rather than coming up with titles that more people might search, they come up with their own titles, summarize what the video is about as a whole, or their titles are way off the mark. As an example, let's suppose you vlogged your time backpacking around Europe last summer. Don't title your YouTube video saying my summer backpacking trip. Instead, give it a title like going up the Eiffel Tower or beautiful view of Paris, something like that. This way all people who are curious about visiting Paris and seeing what view is like from the top of the Eiffel Tower might actually find your video. So I did a previous video on how to write clickable video titles. There is a formula in this video. Check this video out if you haven't done so already. Number 3 is not promoting within social media. YouTube isn't the only social media platform that people are spending their time on. People are spending time on others like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, so forth. The more content in all of these platforms that you create to promote your video, the more potential your video has to be seen by their users and thereby get your video views and your channel more subscribers. Spamming comments. Comments on other YouTube videos is a great way to get your channel discovered from people reading over the comments. But rather than leaving interesting comments that are related to the video, rather than just adding to that conversation, some new YouTubers are desperate to get more subscribers and make the mistake of spamming the video saying check out my channel, or like saying subscribe to my channel or something like that. So take time to leave a head-turning comment that will make people interested in who you are, what your channel is, and they will want to visit your channel. And if they like that channel, they will even subscribe. Inconsistency of uploading. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, avoid being inconsistent with your content and online presence. I keep on saying that I upload every Saturday and I make it a point to make sure that I am within that commitment. That's what I can do right now. So find out what the rhythm is that is best suited for you and stick to it. All of the top YouTubers run their channels on a consistent publishing schedules, and they all encourage consistently on social media too. The more consistent you are from the beginning, the better. Viewers love consistency. Creating a YouTube channel can be difficult, and it's hard creating content to fill it on schedule. Keep these tips in mind when you create content, and you'll be in a much better position to build a successful YouTube channel.